Hello, we are here in our kitchen and I'm cooking pork tonkatsu with smoked garlic. Smoked because
It is smoking.
yeah. And
Obviously.
we're sauteing the
The
pork.
you
obviously. And,
need to blacken the
and we'll put some wine like this
wine.
to incorporate that.
Wine from the faucet.
Yeah, and this is it. The
We call that natural
smoked
wine.
pork with egg. This is the egg.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Wow, how black.
Fried egg. Fried egg. You want more?
Another.
Do you want more wine?
Okay, wine from the faucet.
Wine. Like this.
Woo!
The wine. Like that.
Yes.
Tama na.
Like
Eh, gusto na si Frida.
faucet from the water.
Don't try.
Ay, faucet from the water. Wine from the faucet. Stop.